हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू क्रिएट डिस्कम्फर्ट पॉडकास्ट। आज हम लोग का फोर्थ पॉडकास्ट वीडियो है एंड दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट इन पर्सन वीडियो ऑल्सो एंड वी आर लकी टू हैव मिस्टर अमित माकर हु इज़ ऑल्सो ओनर ऑफ मैराथन स्पोर्ट्स हब। एंड अमित जी पूरे दिल्ली एनसीआर में मैराथन स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिटनेस के ऊपर बहुत काम कर रहे हैं और उनकी कंपनी भी कर रही है। तो आज हम उनसे मैराथन के बारे में भी जानेंगे, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फिटनेस जानेंगे एंड कैसे वो दिल्ली एनसीआर में एक मूवमेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं स्पोर्ट्स को लेके अमंग यूथ एंड ऑल पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल एज ग्रुप। उसके बारे में भी हम लोग टच बेस करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम अमित जी, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू मुदित, थैंक्स फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी।
थैंक यू। अच्छा, टू बिगिन विथ अमित जी, आपको थोड़ा सा हम इंट्रोडक्शन भी देंगे जो क्रिएट डिस्कम्फर्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है। तो द रीज़न वाई वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस पॉडकास्ट प्लेटफॉर्म, उसमें हम लोग बहुत सारे लोगों को लेके आ रहे हैं जो डिफरेंट फील्ड में काम करते हैं एंड कहीं ना कहीं उनकी जर्नी में एक डिस्कम्फर्ट का एलिमेंट है जिससे कि वो लोगों को इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, पॉजिटिवली इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, ताकि पीपल इफ़ दे हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डिस्कम्फर्ट एलिमेंट इन देयर लाइफ, वो उनसे उनका सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकता है, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन हो सकता है एंड दैट कैन हेल्प देम टू लीड अ बेटर लाइफ। एंड सबके पास एक ही लाइफ है, एक ही मौका मिला है, तो उसको कैसे हम लोग मैक्सिमाइज़ करें। एंड यू कम टू आवर माइंड कि क्योंकि आपकी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो इसी मिशन पे काम कर रही है एंड तो वी वुड लाइक टू गो अ बिट डीपर इनटू दिस।
श्योर।
तो अमित जी, सबसे पहले जैसे कि आपकी कंपनी है उसका नाम मैराथन स्पोर्ट्स हब है, तो सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे कि मैराथन होता क्या है।
सी मैराथन स्टैंड्स फॉर 42.195 किलोमीटर्स। तो इसमें क्या है कि रनिंग को इफ यू से रन इन यू कैन रन इन अ पार्क or you can run few kilometers for your fitness is a running. But when you go for a marathon, you require a structured training plan, a structured program, which require lots of long runs, endurance build up, your strength, your nutrition, everything should be there. So then only you can be able to run a good marathon. So it requires a lot of discipline. And the most important, like your channel has a name of discomfort. So this is what required in the marathon.
अमित जी, जैसे कि आपने अभी मैराथन के बारे में बताया, तो हम लोग हमेशा सुनते हैं कि रनिंग है, रनिंग करनी चाहिए एंड फिर मैराथन में भी रनिंग इन्वॉल्व है। तो कैसे डिफरेंस क्या है रनिंग में और मैराथन में?
रनिंग में जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि इफ़ यू वांट टू रन फ्यू किलोमीटर्स यू कैन गो, यू वेयर योर शूज एंड यू कैन रन। बट व्हेन यू गो फॉर अ मैराथन, most important required is a discipline and the perseverance which required, and structured training is very important. You have to go for the long runs, you have to go for the endurance runs, you have to go for the tempo runs, and moreover it's important to go for your strength training and mobility, which is very important in this. And rest is the only recovery. So you have to do all these things in these 7 days only. So टाइम उतना ही है, सब कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्ड करना है इन ए वेरी अप्रोप्रिएट मैनर, तभी आप एक मैराथन की ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हो।
और जैसे कि आपने स्टार्टिंग में बताया कि मैराथन 42.15 किलोमीटर्स की है, तो सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एंड इसके लिए फॉर समवन जो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं या जो रनिंग भी करते हैं, तो एक अलग तरीके की आपको मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए होगी और विल पावर चाहिए होगी। तो क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ की
मैराथन के लिए? मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारी ट्रेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर, 16 से 20 हफ्ते एटलीस्ट। इफ समबडी वांट्स टू रन अ मैराथन, उसको आई सजेस्ट कि उन्हें 16 to 20 वीक्स का एक स्ट्रक्चर ट्रेनिंग प्लान फोकस करना चाहिए। लाइक आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, आई एम ट्राइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट दिस ईयर फॉर टाटा मुंबई मैराथन, सो I am doing that training, and then New Delhi Marathon is coming, wherein I am trying to break my own records after 3 years. So I have qualified for the Boston Marathon in 2022. So with the best timing of 3 hours 8 minutes. So I am trying to go and touch that number again. So again I have to go for my discomfort. I have to do so many long runs. Today I ran 36 kilometers in the morning, so I am here with you. So structured training, wherein long runs in weekends, your tempo runs on your weekdays, you couple of days for the strength training, moreover for the core and the legs, which is very important. And mobility, I would suggest everybody that you can skip your dinner or your breakfast, but you cannot skip your mobility. It's very, very, very important.
Truly,
So go for this. And nutrition. See, what say that few moments of your taste forever on your waist. So
very
you have
nicely
to take care of your nutrition very well, hydrated very well. Either in winters you have to go for at least 4 to 5 liters of water. During run you have to take gels, you have to take your electrolytes. Everything has to be taken care of to run a good marathon.
यस यस एंड जैसे आपने बताया बॉस्टन मैराथन के बारे में विच इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मैराथन्स जो पूरे इंटरनेशनली होती है.
Yeah.
तो जस्ट इफ़ यू टेक अ स्टेप बैक, तो क्या ऐसा आपके लाइफ में इंस्पिरेशनल पॉइंट था जिस जो आप मैराथन में आए एंड आपकी इसमें जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई?
Very good question. I was 107 kg in 36 years of age.
ओके.
So worked for 23 years in a corporate life with lots of stress because I worked in a sales. So one good day I came back to office, so there was a medical camp going on. So they were doing a routine checkup of like BP and sugar and all. So the moment I have go for the same, so जब मेरा BP चेक किया तो it was 180 by 120. So that doctor suggest me कि आप बैठ जाइए अभी यहाँ पर. I was a BP patient. It's a heredity from being my parents and grandparents. It came to me. So I said I am okay. He said no, it's very high. You have to take a medicine or you have to take care of yourself. That was alarm bell. So I thought that I have to take care of my health. So better to go for a walk in the morning. So I started from 1 kilometer.
Okay.
So the journey started in 2016, 3rd September.
Okay.
The moment I went to Commonwealth Stadium for a training.
Okay.
So I have started there. So that training has become the passion for me. Then I came to know about that half marathons and then full marathon, and somebody, if you can call a pro runner who has been qualified for a Boston, and it took 4 years for me with lots of discipline. I left all my bad habits. I don't able to go to the marriages of my families just because my target was that's a bullseye of Boston qualification, and it took 4 years to qualify for the Boston. Then I came to know that yes, it required lots of discipline. Moreover, discomfort of waking up early in the morning.
Yes.
Most of the sessions which you don't like, you have to complete those sessions. Like today was a very tough day for me. It was a very tough session, but I am happy that I have completed it as per the target which I have decided for myself.
Yes.
So this is what
Yes.
is called.
नहीं, सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुली अमित जी, क्योंकि जैसे कि एक आपका वो पॉइंट आया जो दैट वाज इनफ फॉर यू टू मेक दैट चेंज एंड मेक द ट्रांजिशन, एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, अब आप और बहुत लोगों को ट्रेन भी कर रहे हो उस फील्ड में, एंड ऐसे आप बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अभी कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में हैं और दे आर फॉलोइंग देयर ऑक्यूपेशन, एंड इवन जो भी आप वॉक ऑफ लाइफ में हो, फिटनेस और हेल्थ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है.
Exactly.
तो कहीं ना कहीं वो हम लोग की ओवर शैडो भी हो जाती है विद द अदर वर्क कमिटमेंट्स वी हैव. तो उस पर आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे, बिकॉज फॉर यू ऑल्सो व्हेन यू आर इन कॉर्पोरेट, बट आपका एक टर्निंग पॉइंट आया, बट आपने उसको फटाफट अडॉप्ट कर लिया, एंड बहुत बार हम लोग वो चीज़ हमारे पास भी आती है बट हम उसको ओवर शैडो कर जाते हैं, हम उसको ले नहीं पाते हैं उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को. तो उस पे आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मॉर्निंग में एटलीस्ट 1 hour इज अ मी टाइम. So you can leave your phone at your home, you can go outside, you can walk, you can jog, whatever you like. You can go for cricket, you can go for badminton, any sport which you like. You can go to the gym. But it's a me time, which is very important. You do your self talks. You work for yourself.
Yes.
So it's very important. I would love to suggest everybody who is working, either it's its own business or it's a corporate job. Everybody have a pressure. So a work-life balance is very important. So you are the earning member of your family. So it's required. You have to be fit, and you live by an example for your family, your kid, your wife, your spouse, your parents. So it's very important. So 1 hour at least in the morning every day, spend for yourself. Go for a walk, jog, and you will feel good. Sometimes you don't like it, but you have to go for this.
यस यस श्योरली. एंड आपने अभी बॉस्टन मैराथन के बारे में बताया, तो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे कि बॉस्टन मैराथन क्या है, एंड उसकी जो आपने क्वालिफिकेशन की, तो हाउ डज क्वालिफिकेशन वर्क, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली उसके लिए आपका एक टारगेट था क्वालिफाई करने का, तो consistently how were you able to set a target for yourself and stay at it?
Boston, there are 7 world major marathons, wherein Boston is the oldest marathon. It's 130 years old.
Okay.
So there is a certain qualification criteria. So like when I decided to go for the Boston qualification above age of 40,
Yes.
so there is an age bracket of 5 years, 40 to 45 years. So I have to qualify, I have to run a marathon, a qualified IAF gold marathon in India, like Tata Mumbai Marathon, or you can say New Delhi Marathon, Adani Ahmedabad or Hyderabad marathons. Major marathons are these in India. So I have to qualify and I have to run any marathon below 3:15 hours to qualify if I am having an age of 40 to 45.
Okay.
The moment I reached to 40, I crossed 40, I targeted in 38 years of age that it will take around 2-3 years. The moment I reached there, so competition has been increased. So Boston has decreased the timings to 3 or 10.
Okay.
3:10s.
Yes, yes.
So, but my target was fixed. So I tried hard, and fortunately, at the age of 42, on 27th November 2022, in Adani Ahmedabad, so I have qualified and I ran a marathon of 3 hours 8 minutes.
Yes.
Now I have crossed 45, so the timing is 3:15. But there is a cut-off time every year. They got around 60-70,000 applications, but they so just to make this event a premium event, so they put a cut-off of around 5 minutes 30 seconds out of that bracket also. So I am trying to go for 3:10 again. So rather than going for 3:15 and qualify, I would love to go for Boston, to run a Boston marathon this time. So luckily I got a visa for US also.
That is great.
So this is what my target is now.
नहीं, all the best. That is very great. And another thing that comes to our mind, जैसे a lot of people, as we shared, maybe they are not full time into marathon running or into sports, and they have, as you said, they have their different jobs, but then they are aware that fitness and health is very important. For those people, how would you suggest, knowing that 8 to 10 hours of their day goes into their work, and you already shared कि सुबह 1 hour आप निकाल सकते हो, तो सुबह का 1 hour हो गया जैसे, is there something that they can also do after they complete work in the evening?
Yes. In evening they can go for morning and evening they can do workout as per their comfort timing.
Yes.
Morning is most preferable because it's a spare time and they can wake up in the morning and go for a run, or they can do their strength workout in the evening. Nutrition they can taken care of
During the day also.
During the day also.
Yes.
And mobility is very important, that I used to do in the evening when I was working with the corporate. So there is no time in the morning, I have to rush to office by 9:30 a.m. in the morning. So I do that mobility in the evening.
Okay.
So this is how they can manage.
And for someone who maybe who doesn't know what mobility means, तो mobility का क्या मतलब होता है, उसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग?
There are some structured exercise from top to toe to bottom and everything. Yeah. So top to bottom you can do. You can stretch every part of your body, moreover of your legs, your back, your core. So like few stretches, which is called mobility. You can search on YouTube also. You can search for that in Google also. So there are few exercises. If somebody asks, I can share that videos also I have.
Yes.
So it's very important to do that.
Surely. And अभी आपने टच अपॉन किया था कि जैसे वेकिंग अप अर्ली हो गया, डिसिप्लिन हो गया, तो दीज आर सम एट्रीब्यूट्स जो खुद से पर्सन हु इज़ इनटू मैराथन रनिंग दे डेवलप दीज एट्रीब्यूट्स. तो व्हाट आर सम मोर एट्रीब्यूट्स जो ओवर द टाइम आपने भी डेवलप किया अपनी लाइफ में, और जो आपके ट्रेनीज भी हैं जिनको आप ट्रेनिंग देते हो, जिनको आप खुद से देखते हो डे इन एंड डे आउट, आप उनको ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, तो क्या क्या ऐसी क्वालिटीज़ हैं जो पहले शायद नहीं थी बट वो आपके साथ ट्रेनिंग में उन्होंने डेवलप की?
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है टाइम मैनेजमेंट,
हाँ.
which is very important. So marathon teaches us. When you run a marathon, it teaches you your entire story of your life, which starts from your time management. You wake up early.
Yes.
So discipline is very important, which gives by marathons, I guess. So people don't like when I put a workout on my community that you have to come by 5:30 a.m. in the morning when the temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. But when I go there, I saw entire team is there. So this is what is very important. Then you have to go to your office on time.
Yes.
You have to came back. You have to do your mobility.
Yes.
So time management. and rest and recovery,
Yes.
which has been guided by marathon. It doesn't mean that every day you have to go for same pattern. There are different structure plannings, your trainings. So wherein Monday we used to have a rest day. We do only mobilities and core exercise. We don't run on Monday mostly.
Yes.
So that is for a recovery because Sunday is a long run day.
Yes.
So it required.
Yes.
So there's lots of muscle fatigue in your body. So you have to redevelop those muscles. So these are the important things.
एंड एक और चीज़ आपने मेंशन की इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डाइट एंड हाइड्रेशन.
Yes.
सो क्या हम लोग को फिर बहुत माइंडफुल होना पड़ता है कि हम क्या फूड इनटेक कर रहे हैं व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग इनटू समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड वी वांट टू बी हेल्दी. तो पर्सन ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम्स mindful of what they are eating and drinking.
Exactly, yeah. Mindful. What I would like to add here is when you go for a training, when you love your trainings, automatically it changes. And yeah, I don't say that you don't eat. You eat healthy foods. You eat good fat. You have to take care of appropriate manner of your protein and carbs, which is very important. Hydration took important part. Yeah, if you want to quit, better to quit sweets, better to quit oily
Yes.
and alcohol,
Yes.
which is very important.
नहीं, very important points that you just shared with us. And coming to the point, Marathon Sports Hub is, as we just discussed, it is also creating a movement in Delhi NCR area, and you can also share if there are other areas also आउटसाइड दिल्ली, जिसमें कि आप रनर्स को लेके आ रहे हो, आप एक पूरी कम्युनिटी भी डेवलप कर रहे हो थ्रू रन क्लब्स. तो सबसे पहले हम समझना चाहेंगे रन क्लब का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट होता है एंड मैराथन स्पोर्ट्स हब की भी क्या विजन है in Delhi NCR.
We have started last year Marathon Sports Hub. The agenda was to create a fit movement community nearby.
Yes.
So that has been started in October last year. So it's been 15 months. We are doing one community builder program of LSOM, which was today only, last Sunday of month.
Okay.
We invite all the running communities, come here. We'll have free hydration point. We'll give you free breakfast. Just meet and discuss. And apart from that, we have done few running events also,
Yeah.
just to make sure that it's under the guidance of Fit India movement of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so we are taking care of that. And recently we are fortunate to you can say that started a new event of the Ghaziabad Heritage Run, which is with support of that DM, District Magistrate Ghaziabad.
Yes.
And we are targeting to have that night run in the Ghaziabad. The first night run of Uttar Pradesh includes 15,000 participants.
Oh, great.
So we are inviting all Indian athletes, and the target here is to break 60-30, which is 1 hour 30 seconds, the Indian national record.
Okay.
So that has been discussed, that agenda has been discussed with the DM, and he has approved that event. Let's come, and Uttar Pradesh would be the first part to break that 60-30. So that is on 7th of March. We are targeting that. So this is all what we are doing, just to make sure that everybody should be fit and healthy.
नहीं, this is a great vision and mission of your organization and totally aligned with it and very important in today's time जिसमें tech बहुत enable हो गया है. And there has to be a time जो आपने भी बोला कि आप अपना फ़ोन रखिए और आप जाइए, मी टाइम रखिए.
Exactly.
And वेरी गुड टू ऑल्सो नो कि यूपी गवर्नमेंट भी बहुत प्रोएक्टिवली
Exactly.
आपके साथ इसमें कोलैबोरेट आप कर रहे हो, उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट और इसको आगे लेके जा रहे हो. एंड जस्ट टू ऑल्सो शेयर विद द ऑडियंस, हम लोग अमित सर ही ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द दिल्ली हाफ मैराथन. VDHM की जो थी प्रोकैम ऑर्गेनाइजेज इट, एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम एक्चुअली वेयर आई हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट अमित जी. एंड तो उसके बारे में भी बताइए. VDHM एक बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट बन गया है दिल्ली में, एंड विच इज़ ऑर्गेनाइज बाय विवेक सर्स टीम एंड प्रोकैम टीम. तो क्या इम्पैक्ट है जो VDHM एक दिल्ली जैसे शहर पे, एंड नॉट ओनली दिल्ली, बहुत बाहर के लोग भी आते हैं, क्रिएट कर रहा है. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो इंस्पायरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक योर्स तो टू क्रिएट द सेम इन अदर एरियाज. तो उसके बारे में भी इफ यू कैन टच अपॉन.
Procam say we are connected since 2017 when I started my journey.
Yes.
So my first race was Airtel half marathon. On that time it was ADHM.
Yes.
So that has been taken care by Vedanta later on. So VDHM, I am running Tata Mumbai from last 8 years consecutively. So I loved it. I have finished my Pro Cam last year, Pro Cam Slam. So I finished all 4 races last year. So they have started their journey 25 years back, and hats off to Vivek sir and team for taking care of such a beautiful initiative. And now in Mumbai, you will if you got a chance to come, you will see 70,000 runners in Mumbai. So it's a carnival. We love to go there. Last year I was official pacer there for 4 hours 30 minutes for full marathon.
Oh, great.
Yeah. So in Vedanta, last year fortunately I got an opportunity to take care of philanthropy part for Vedanta half marathon. Courtesy Lakshay Foundation was taking care of that. So we met in that chapter only, and I attend all their seminars, and I just came to know that only running is not a good thing. You run for yourself. When you run for others, it gives you lots of satisfaction.
Surely.
So wherein Vedanta, that Procam team is doing, that philanthropy is very good part. And in upcoming future, we'll also try to add on some fundraising programs as well, with the help of Lakshay Foundation also, of course. And we'll try to have some fundraise for the people who can't run, but we will run and will contribute to the community.
Yes, नहीं, beautifully said. And as you also shared, पूरा एक movement create किया है program ने.
Yeah, exactly.
We have also been a witness to it and also inspired by it more than anything. And just to come to our last segment, Amit ji, so हम लोग के बहुत youth हैं, youngsters हैं, and I'm sure आप उनको भी train कर रहे हो. तो what is the message that you would want to give to the youth जो बाहर हैं कि why is it important to have something like a structured program? वो marathon के लिए हो सकता है या sports fitness के लिए हो सकता है in your life, and क्या importance है, and we should not ignore the hints that we get in life कि हमको कोई चीज़ शुरू करनी चाहिए अगर हमारा कोई routine चल रहा है. जैसे आपने at some point you also made the switch and फिर आप एक अलग journey पे हो, तो वो कैसे important है कि उसको हम ignore ना करें, and especially for the younger audience.
See, Marathon Sports Hub giving us structured trainings, not even for youth, also for the amateur runners, those who are experienced, and we also take care of that. You have to go for injury-free running. So how to prevent the injury during these runs. So for youth, I would love to give a message कि कुछ fancy नहीं करना है, कुछ ज़्यादा mindset नहीं रखना है. एक grassroots level से start from scratch, from zero. Don't go for big games very shortly, like people go for this. So take a structured training. Start from 1 kilometer or 5 kilometers or a 10 kilometer run. Then you train for a half marathon. Later on, you will be able to build a confidence and endurance, a strength to go for a marathon, go for a structured training. And but I would like to suggest them that this is the best thing to invest, which will give you a best return in your life.
नहीं, great. And just to close it, बहुत बार लोग इसको start इसलिए नहीं कर पाते because of the discomfort element. तो आप इस पे भी टच अपॉन कर सकते हैं कि अगर हम डिस्कम्फर्ट को थोड़ा अपनी लाइफ में लाएं तो जो कंफर्टेबल ऑप्शंस हैं बाहर उनको फिर हम और ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. अगर हमारा एक डिसिप्लिन चल रहा है, तो जैसे आप हैं, वो आपका इतना डिसिप्लिन रहता है, आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठ रहे हो, आप पूरी ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो, तो कभी कभार आपका चीट डे अगर है या कभी आपको कुछ थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेना है, तो आप उसको फिर और एंजॉय कर सकते हो क्योंकि आपकी
एग्जैक्टली इसमें मैं यही ऐड करूँगा कि फिटनेस में मैं क्यों आया था कि मेरी लाइफ में जो मेरी फेवरेट चीज़ है वो मैं लाइफ लॉन्ग खाता रहूँ.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
सो व्हाट यू लव टू ईट, आपको ये सोचना ना पड़े कि मैं ये क्यों ना खाऊं.
हाँ,
इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
यस यस.
हाँ, तो ये इसके लिए ही सही.
हाँ,
इसके लिए ही हम उठ जाएंगे.
हाँ,
तो कुछ कर लेंगे.
सही है, सही है. Just to sum it up, so everyone, thank you so much for joining in and listening. And ज़रूर आप लोग मैराथन स्पोर्ट्स हब को भी चेकआउट करिए and the cool things that Amit ji is doing, and look forward to having all of you for our next episode. Thank you, Amit ji.
Thank you.
Thank you.